One of the real mowers on this list cuts thick grass almost as easily as a powered mower, while another costs far less than you'd expect. We tested the best push reel mowers of 2026 to find out which ones are actually worth buying, and the number one pick might surprise you. Starting our list is the SunJoe MJ500M, a budget-friendly manual reel mower designed for homeowners with smaller lawns. It features a 16-inch cutting width, a 4-blade steel reel, and includes a generous 8.8-gallon grass catcher, helping reduce cleanup after mowing. Weighing just under 25 pounds, it's one of the lightest models available, making it simple to lift, maneuver, and store when you're finished. During testing on a compact residential lawn with a mix of healthy and patchy grass, the mower handled regularly maintained areas surprisingly well. It produced a clean cut, rolled smoothly across level ground, and the catcher kept most clippings contained, saving extra yard work afterward. Assembly was also quick, taking only a few minutes without complicated instructions. However, its lightweight construction becomes more noticeable when tackling taller or uneven grass. Thick patches required multiple passes, and the plastic wheels occasionally bounced over rough spots, reducing cutting consistency. Like most entry-level reel mowers, it performs best when grass is kept short rather than heavily overgrown. For homeowners looking for an affordable, environmentally friendly mower that works well on small, flat yards, the SunJoe remains an excellent starting point.
Next up is the Fisker Stay Sharp Max, one of the most advanced manual reel mowers currently available. Its 18-inch cutting deck covers more ground with each pass, while the heavier frame, around 50 pounds, adds stability that many lightweight reel mowers simply can't match. What separates this mower is Fisker's inertia drive technology, which generates significantly more cutting power than traditional reel systems. Combined with the Stay Sharp no-contact blade design, it reduces friction between blades, making operation smoother while helping maintain sharp cutting edges over time. We tested it on a lawn filled with dense fescue and uneven sections where many reel mowers struggled. It sliced through thick grass without clogging, delivered an impressively even finish, and required noticeably less pushing effort than expected, despite its weight. The adjustable cutting height, ranging from 1 to 4 inches, also makes it one of the most versatile options for different grass types. Its extra weight can make tight turns a little harder, and because clippings discharge toward the front, cleanup isn't always as convenient. Still, if you want premium manual mowing performance with outstanding cutting power, the Fiskars easily earns its place near the top. Landing in third place is the Great States 41516, a manual mower that strikes an impressive balance between durability, cutting quality, and overall ease of use. It comes equipped with a 16-inch cutting width, a 5-blade heat-treated steel reel, and large 10-inch ball-bearing wheels that glide smoothly across most lawn surfaces. At roughly 30 pounds, it feels substantial without becoming difficult to push. During our testing on a medium-sized suburban yard, the mower consistently produced clean, even cuts while requiring relatively little effort. The T-style handle offered better control around flower beds, fences, and landscaping compared to several straight-handle competitors. Its cutting height adjusts from 1/2 inch up to 2.5 inches, although both sides must be adjusted manually. That's not difficult, but it does take slightly longer if you frequently change cutting heights. Like most reel mowers, it isn't ideal for lawns that have been neglected for weeks, but when used as part of a regular mowing routine, it performs reliably and feels built to last. For homeowners wanting dependable performance without paying premium prices, the Great States delivers excellent overall value.
Taking the runner-up position is the Scots 2000-20S, built specifically for homeowners who want to cover larger lawns more efficiently. Its wide 20-inch cutting path is the largest in today's lineup, reducing the number of passes needed to finish bigger yards. The mower features a 5-blade steel reel, weighs around 34 pounds, and rides on durable 10-inch dual-track wheels that help maintain straight cutting lines. One feature we especially appreciated was the quick height adjustment system, allowing cutting heights between 1 and 3 inches without needing additional tools. On a spacious Kentucky bluegrass lawn, the wider deck noticeably reduced mowing time while maintaining an even, attractive cut. It rolled smoothly over flat terrain and remained comfortable throughout longer mowing sessions. Its biggest weakness appears on uneven ground, where lifting one wheel slightly can affect cutting consistency. It also doesn't include a grass catcher, so clippings remain on the lawn unless purchased separately. Even with those minor drawbacks, if your yard is relatively flat and you want to maximize efficiency without switching to a powered mower, the Scots is one of the strongest manual reel mowers available. Our top recommendation for 2026 is the American Lawnmower Company 1204-14, a compact manual mower that perfectly balances simplicity, performance, and affordability. While it features the smallest cutting width in today's ranking at 14 inches, it also weighs only around 20 pounds, making it incredibly easy to maneuver around landscaping, sidewalks, and tight spaces. Its 4-blade steel reel is optimized for regularly maintained grass, while the adjustable cutting height ranges from 0.5 to 1.75 inches. The powder-coated frame also helps resist rust, extending its lifespan even with frequent outdoor use. During testing on a well-maintained Bermuda grass lawn, this mower consistently delivered crisp, even cuts with very little effort. The lightweight frame made turning effortless, storage was incredibly simple, and transporting it around the yard required almost no strain. Naturally, the narrower cutting width means you'll spend more time mowing larger properties, and it isn't intended for thick or overgrown grass. But for homeowners with smaller lawns who mow regularly, it's difficult to find a manual mower that's easier to own or more enjoyable to use. Its dependable cutting performance, lightweight design, low maintenance, and excellent value make it our top overall push reel mower for 2026. That's our roundup of the best push reel mowers of 2026. If this video helped you find the right mower, check out the links in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next review.